Welcome everyone, my name is Jermaine Brewer, and today I am going to show you how to customize your Salesforce homepage for different teams. So this is more for my admins out there. So let's say you have a marketing team or you have an IT team or finance team, HR, and you want them to see different views when they log into Salesforce here on their home screen. Well, you can customize this according to their profiles or, the different departments or teams. So in order to do that, when you're here on the home page, and just to take note, you do have to be an admin or have admin rights to do this. You're going to go to the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to select Edit Page. So that's going to take you to what we call the Lightning App Builder. And this is where you can rearrange things, you can customize it and stuff like that. So let's say maybe this is for our HR team, maybe, right? Maybe they don't need to see deals that's closing because that's more related to, sales and stuff like that. So what we could do is we could go ahead and change this. Now, in your org, if you're in an older org, you probably don't have this new sellers homepage, but this is a page that pretty much Salesforce has given like all new orgs now that it comes with. So this can all be customized. And let me go ahead and get this customized here. All right, so we go to pages up here, and then we're going to go ahead and create a new page and confirm. But if you're in an older org, you're probably not going to have to do this. You can go ahead and remove things and add things. But since I'm dealing with this new seller's homepage, it's pretty much not customizable. So that's why I got to just go create a new page. So we go ahead and select confirm, and then we're going to select home page here. Next, and we'll give it a label. So we'll just say HR home page. All right, then we'll select next. Then you can choose how you want your regions and how you want it set up. And here gives you a little idea of what it would look like. So let's just click through these and let's see what we would like here. Let's see. Let's do a standard home page. This looks fine. Actually, let's do another one. Yeah, let's stick with the standard. And then we'll select done. All right, so here's the layout that we chose, and you notice it just says add components. So we'll say that our HR needs to see those recent items that they've accessed. So anytime they log in, the recent items that they recently viewed will show up there. We can also add some rich text sections. So if we wanted to add over here, and now we could say something like, this is for the HR department, right? Or you could put any message up there if you want, like, please be productive today or something like that. All right, so we'll go ahead and select save here so we can save our progress. And now here's where the magic happens. So we'll go ahead and select activate. Now, once we activate it, and since this is a brand new one, it's prompting me for that. But just know, if this is not brand new to you and you didn't create a new page from scratch, then you would have to select this activation button up here in the upper right. So now here we can assign it for the org default. So if we wanted this home page to be for everyone that logs in, for all of our users in Salesforce, then we would set it as the org default. But in this case, we could do app default. So if you have an HR app or an IT app or a marketing app that different users use, you could set it at the app level. And then here's where we could set it at the profile level. And it also tells you up here too the different options that you have. So we could say assign to apps and profiles, and then we would just choose, whichever app that we wanted here. Or if we go back, then you notice we could just go to app default and assign it to certain apps, or we could say app and profile. So we'll just say we're going to do it for our data managers because I don't have an HR app in here. So we'll just pretend like this is it. We'll select next. And then here's where we select the profile. Sorry, on the screen before, it was asking us for the app. And then now we select the profile. So we'll just say this is our custom HR profile here. We select next and save, and voila, there you go. Now you have a customized homepage for your HR team.